All right, you guys, let's get ready for that first drive. Hey guys, welcome to the first drive. I'm just going to kind of narrate my thoughts and let the rest of the video roll. Boy, with that sunroof open, you can really feel how hot it is out. I mean, it's awesome, but it's hot. It says it's 63 degrees, but I feel like I'm cooking. And it is super tempting to just open this baby up and see what it can do. Not gonna do that because I know I don't got a tune on it, and the last thing I want to do is shoot internals from the engine outside the engine. So boy, you can feel her start to spool up though. She wants to go, but you know, without a tune, who knows what it would do. I mean, could it just overboost? Would it be totally fine? You know, and the risk level is so high if you do something like that. So it's just not really worth it. Hard on this one. Pedal still feels pretty spongy. Ooh, I can smell those brakes now. Ooh, man, I need to get power steering fixed. That is just heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Oh man! Oh, I just want to open it up so bad. Last time. Oops. Not supposed to come to a complete stop. My bad. Wow, it just wants to go. You can feel it. Man, man, man. Oh. Jeez, that's when it gets exciting, guys. That's... And you know, it's not even like crazy power, right? It's pretty tame. But, man, once I get that engine broke in, wideband, get a tune on it, my gosh, will this thing just rip. Especially compared to anything else. Like, the fastest car I've had is an R32. And the R32... I knew it wasn't the fastest car, but it was fun to drive. You know, it had a good power band, phenomenal exhaust. I loved the Borla exhaust on my R32. And again, Volkswagen R32, I know it's not Godzilla, but for us Germans lover, das Auto was gut. Guten Tag. Guten Pranken. My gosh, my. 25. Let's downshift a bit. Oh man, oh, that temptation. I just want to go, just ring it out. Now granted, this is a 25-mile-an-hour zone, so this is not the place to do it, but man, that temptation to do it.
Don't listen to that guy. He's trying to lead you down the path of righteousness. I'm gonna lead you down the path that rocks.
Boy, tires are warm. Ooh, those are really warm. Yeah, look at the brake dust. Wow. Wow. How are we doing on coolant? It's probably dripping all over the place. Boy, it's hot. Hotter than snot. It's got both the fans on. Wow, it is hot. Hey guys, welcome back to MyLamePerspective. We're on the first drive here, and I just wanted to take you guys with me. We're going to take care of the problem, so to speak. So hang on. All right, guys, welcome to the dump. Let's just grab our friend here. I just spoke to the guy who runs the place, and he asked me to just set it gently over here. Stopping me from driving my car? I don't think so. All right, back to it. It went from the project car literally on jack stands for months, almost years, to now my daily driver. And I can't tell you how good of a feeling that is, you know. And really, by the time you hit about 3,000 RPM, this thing wants to go. It is hungry for it. But as of right now, this new engine block has 39 miles. It just ticked over. So 39 miles, I don't really think it's the time to start really putting it under high boost. Shut up! But man, it's gonna be a long 960 more miles. I can tell you that. Oh man, just that downshift. Having a manual again after years. I mean, I sold the TL, and the TL was a riot. I loved that car. I miss it terribly. But now that I have this, I don't know that I miss it so much. And after that, I drove it probably another 100 miles that day, and there was a river close by, so I just kind of drove down there and got some pictures that afternoon. But overall, you guys, couldn't be happier that this thing is finally up. It's running. But sadly, in the saga of owning a project car, I had one thing waiting for me when I got home.
What is that? What the f*** is that?